flood watch remains in effect through Thursday morning. The flood watch continues for portions of Oklahoma and northern Texas, including the following areas: in Oklahoma, Atoka, Bryan, Caddo, Canadian, Carter, Cleveland, Cole, Comanche, Cotton, Garvin, Grady, Hughes, Jefferson, Johnson, Kay, Lincoln, Logan, Love, Marshall, McLean, Murray, Noble, Payne, Pontotoc, Potawatomi, Seminole, and Stevens. In northern Texas, Archer, Clay, and Wichita. Through Thursday morning, rounds of thunderstorms tonight through Thursday morning will produce locally heavy rainfall and potential flash flooding and river flooding. The flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for Oklahoma City and surrounding